Riviera. Don't forget the Riviera Resort, which holds Topolino's restaurant. And this is Art of Animation. We've crossed the bridge. So if you're off the coming off a Skyliner and you need the toilet, there's one literally as soon as you get off. There's some restrooms, and you don't need a key or a magic band to get into them by the looks of it. So you just go in. It looks so cool here. Like Nemo under the sea theme. Got a little play park. Yeah, you probably were asleep. Crush. What does Crush like to say? Dude!
Look, Nemo!
Oh, Nemo! Mine, 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 mine. Is it mine they say?
Mine.
Mine. So what they do have here is sachets of their hot chocolate. So round hours I was in a canteen film. You get that? And this is the big main pool. Just outside of Art of Animation. And you got a bar just there to your right. So you got a bar just there. You got ping pong and the main pool. Outside Crush, you've got yourself like a water splash area where some fountains out of the floor are. Base is sporting a new life jacket. Is that good? And then you got like a shallow end going into the main pool, like a beach going into a deep section. And then you got your laundry room and bar just there. So let's we're gonna switch over to the GoPro. We'll see you in the water.
We're going in the water. Quick, please. You're gonna get back. Okay. You ran in it. You did that to yourself. Get in it. You missed. Can you come here? No. Yeah. Okay. No. Face us. Go back a bit. Stay there. Face me. Face us.
Hiya, fish.
Stand in front of the fish. Keep it wet. Lily wants a hug.
Lily wants a hug.
Stop!
Hiya, Crush. Woo! Run! Go! It's a seahorse!
Come here! Come here!
Ah!
I know, get that!
Hey Lil, come and say hello to this guy! You don't find it warm? What's she do?
She stepped on a drain.
Mum, you stepped on a drain. Oh, looking cloudy, guys. You got it? three. That's probably a bad idea. Ah, missed Okay, close your eyes. Ready, marks, get set, go. Yours just fell off. Got it? Woo! That was a draw, well done.
Daddy, I didn't even reach the bottom for my...
You went super quick.
That counts, is it cool?
Yeah, it does count.
It
That
does.
definitely does count.
It was too easy.
Right?
Very hard, I'm going to erase my memory so I don't know where it is.
You're going to erase your memory.
So I do not know where it is.
Okay, you do that.
You have to look up the whole thing right there.
Just like that, we've had to close the pool. And that big nasty cloud is on its way over us. Look at that cloud.
Dad, quick.
Let's go. And that's the pool when empty. Been evacuated out of the pool.
Dad, can we do this pool again?
Yeah. Oh, look, towels. Clean towels, dirty towels.
I thought Lollipop heard them.
It was.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And you subscribe our channel, turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys! Bye guys!